Good morning, everybody. Look what came today. It's Birchbox. Well, it came yesterday because I'm in my jammies this morning because it's 5:30. But I have to do this before everybody wakes up because, everybody's home. Everybody's a gamer here except me. So let's open up Birchbox and find out what I got. Ooh, it's a pretty box. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It says, look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumbing effect. Plumping. For a plumping effect, not plumbing. Okay, so let's see. Oh, cool. All right, let's see. The first thing is Beauty Protector, Protect and Detangle. That is this. Is it going to focus? Probably not. I don't know. It might be focused. I can't see. My glasses are up here. So the leave-in detangler for my hair. Nice. Okay, next. Oh, sorry. This full size would be $23.50. The IBY Beauty, I don't know. City Limits Eyeshadow Nightfall. The full size palette would be $20. Let's see what color this is. It looks like it's a cream color or gold maybe. Maybe it's gold. I love these little eyeshadows. Oh yeah, definitely a gold color. That's pretty. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it. It's a shimmery gold. It's a shimmer for like a highlight. Let's just put some on. It puts it on the skin. Okay. Next, we have MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream Pink Light. Here we go. The full size for this one would be $35. Strobe Cream Hydrant by MAC. Let's see, up here. Camera's up here, Jenny. It's a moisturizer to put it under or over foundation. Okay. Cool. I don't wear either. I need to start. Marcel Micellar Water Normal Skin Top. The full size would be $17, but this is a pretty big bottle. So it makes me wonder how big a full-size bottle would be. What are you supposed to do with this? It acts like a magnet for dirt and oil to remove makeup and cleanse skin without the need for regular water. Micellar water. Is this a spray or a roll-on? Or you pour it out? How does this work? Oh, you just pour it out. Does it have a smell? No, there's no smell. Okay. You just use it to wash your face? Next, Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Full size is $85. This has to be for your face. It's a high potency lactic acid treatment that exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine lines, and evens out hyperpigmentation and boosts your skin's glow. Ooh, I have a couple spots I need help with. And the last thing is perfume. Yes, I love perfume. Tokyo Milk Dark. Everything and Nothing. Eau de Parfum. I doubt I'm saying that right. Spritz and blend a suite of orange pressed petals, desert moss, and tea leaves onto your pulse points. It fell out. I opened the package and there was nothing in there. Here it is. What does it smell like? I'm curious. It says orange in there and tea leaves. It definitely smells like tea. I smell like I just took a bath in a jug of tea. That's weird. I've never had a perfume that smelled like tea before. Yeah. You know, like hot tea in the little tea thing, you know, what's wrong with me? It's really early and I have not touched my protein shake yet. I'm wearing my Christmas jammies today. Okay, and that is all for Birchbox for April of 2020. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe and hit that bell and click all. And what else? Oh, leave me a comment and I'll respond. All right, you guys, take care, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.